Now we're going to play Hanukkah, O Hanukkah on the ukulele. We're playing in the key of A minor. You can follow along right here, and I'll give you all the info to get this song sheet as well as the play along track at the end of the video. All of the links are below if you want to get that. And if you want to learn how to play this song first and then come back here, you can do that. Also, I have lessons and tutorials on all the ukulele holiday songs. Right now we're going to play after a 2-bar intro. Come in, follow me, play along, and enjoy Hanukkah, O Hanukkah on the ukulele. Hanukkah, O Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Come to our party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Dreidels to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Hanukkah, O Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Come to our party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, we'll give you a treat. Dreidels to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night, they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. To remind us of days long ago. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Play it as many times as you want. If you'd like to get the notation, the song sheet, as well as the play-along track, you can do that at patreon.com/Kalani. Link is below. Also, the Ukulele Holiday Challenge is linked below, and you could win an ukulele. Have a lot of fun learning a bunch of songs for the holidays. Be sure to subscribe before you click away. We really appreciate all your helpful and kind comments if you'd like to leave those. And like I mentioned, if you'd like the tutorial, that is also linked below. All right, I'm Kalani. This is Ukulele Club Channel. Go out and make some great music. Happy holidays, everyone.